Did you know you can start making money online with just a few hours of learning? Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll share 5 in-demand skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No prior experience required. Let's dive in. First up is social media graphics. Every business, big or small, needs eye-catching visuals to stand out on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. As a social media graphic designer, you'll create posts, banners, and stories that grab attention and drive engagement. You can start by learning tools like Canva or Adobe Photoshop, which are beginner-friendly and widely used. Many businesses are willing to pay $20 to $100 per hour for someone who can create professional-looking graphics. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, or reach out to local businesses that might need help with their social media presence. With a little practice, you can turn this skill into a steady income stream. Next is email marketing. Businesses rely on email campaigns to connect with their customers and drive sales. If you can write compelling emails and manage subscriber lists, you'll be in high demand. Start by learning platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit, which are easy to use and perfect for beginners. Many companies pay $25 to $100 per hour for email marketing services, depending on the complexity of the campaigns. To stand out, focus on learning about automation, copywriting, and analytics. You can find clients on freelance platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to small businesses directly. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. Third is podcast editing. With the rise of podcasts, creators need help editing their episodes to sound professional and engaging. As a podcast editor, you'll clean up audio, add intros and outros, and ensure the final product is polished. Tools like Audacity and Adobe Audition are great for beginners, and many podcasters are willing to pay $20 to $100 per episode for quality editing. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or reach out to podcasters directly. With a bit of practice, you can build a portfolio and attract higher-paying clients. This skill is perfect if you enjoy working with audio and want to tap into a growing industry. Fourth is e-commerce store setup. Many entrepreneurs want to sell products online, but don't know how to set up their stores. That's where you come in. By learning platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, you can help businesses launch their online stores from scratch. You can charge $100 to $500 per store setup, depending on the complexity. Tools like Canva for graphics and Oberlo for product sourcing will make your job easier. To get started, offer your services on freelance platforms or partner with local businesses. With e-commerce growing rapidly, this skill is a great way to earn consistent income while helping others achieve their dreams. Finally, let's talk about motion graphics. Businesses and content creators are always looking for eye-catching animations to use in ads, social media, and presentations. If you can create dynamic visuals, you'll be in high demand. Start by learning software like Adobe After Effects or Blender. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per project for motion graphics, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on storytelling and animation principles. You can find clients on platforms like Behance or Fiverr, or by networking with content creators. With practice, this skill can open doors to high-paying opportunities in the creative industry. And there you have it. 5 skills you can start learning today to make money online fast. Whether you choose social media graphics, email marketing, podcast editing, e-commerce setup, or motion graphics, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, the key to success is consistency. Start small, keep learning, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.